US indices after massive recovery and reversal yesterday after the inflation data, though we had seen a dip, but then later we have seen a stronger recovery, has now started to show signs of exhaustion. Today it is started now on a slight bearish note and erase some of the gains from yesterday. Now today we also have the PPI data, which is going to be again adding to volatility here in the indices. What to expect, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's first start with the S&P, followed with Nasdaq in the end. Now, what's happening with S&P? Look at this, beautifully lower highs are seen here. After the single vertical drop, it has retraced, then higher lows, it is retraced, and now looking downwards. Very, very important now for it to trade below 6040, 6030 zone. That is a good zone below which you can expect more bearishness to prevail. Right now, what's happening on the hourly charts? It is just consolidating on the moving upside. The moving averages have crossed over, which is definitely a bearish sign. And now again, I will wait for it to trade below 6040 levels, which will confirm further bearishness today. In fact, we can see it again trading below 6020 and 6000 levels. Right now, also notice that lower highs are seen. So on the upside, it is very, very important for it to trade beyond 607072 zone. Let's have a further look. See, the stochastic is rising. See, another beautiful thing to note here on the, I'll rather show it on the 4-hour charts. See, the stochastic rising here. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish. Look at the waves here. And this time, this might lead to the bottom. The RSI though is running flat, not indicating much of the move here. On the 2-hour chart, this could become a reversal sign. Yes, after the bearishness, it is showing a reversal sign. And once it trades beyond 607072, you can expect all the way a move towards close to 608085. Now 608085 is a critical zone for S&P to break past by. Notice what it has done. It has formed a double bottom here, and it is trying to move towards the top. Let's see if it delivers this breakout move. I am not in support of such move here, but yes, if it breaks past by threshold on the upside towards 608085, it is definitely going to stay bullish. Moving average is starting to converge, not yet crossed over here. Stochastic has dropped, MACD trading bearish, the RSI is running flat. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation here on the 3-hour chart. See, divide this into two, you can find little symmetry. You can also find slightly lower highs. One red candle, couple of retracement, and then the follow-up candle might be on the other side of it. Let's wait for it to break below the critical support zones here. Right now, it is early to conclude whether it is turning bullish or bearish. It is right now very much positioned within a zone. But yes, once it breaks below 604030, certainly you can say now the bears are back. Stochastic looking down, MACD bearish, RSI flat. On the 4-hour charts, also similar observation here. Divide this into two, you can see a symmetry here. And now also on the downside, the support levels are intact. Also notice after this big drop, it is just consolidating here. Now why it is consolidating, what we are looking at, look at the formation here. See the reversal sign, one bigger drop, then the retracement, lower highs, then a drop towards 5900, then a retracement all the way, lower highs. Now after the drop, it is consolidating. Where is the bottom of this? The bottom of this is towards 5900, 5890, 5880 levels. Right now it is very much in the zone. It has to come out of this. It is possible that it can deliver a breakout zone, breakout move, but what I am looking forward to is a move towards the bottom. Let's see if it delivers this. Stochastic looking down, MACD bearish, RSI is dropped. So looking at first is where to buy. I will only recommend you to buy now if you see it is staying above 6060 levels here. Beyond this, past 60 should be a very good resistance here. Beyond this, the possibility will increase for a move towards 6072, 74, 6080, and then 6085. If these levels are taken, then you can just stay bullish from there, because beyond 6085, I'll be looking at 6100, 6120, and if it breaks past by 6120, there is no alternative for you. You have to close your eyes, stay bullish for 6140 and 45 levels. Beyond it, anyways, the sky is the limit on the upside. On the downside, now a selling entry is at 6040. If you see S&P trading below 6040, take a sell, expect 6032, 30 first target zone, 6020 next. And any point of time, S&P trading below 6020, chances will be high that we are looking at 6000 and a drop below 6000. There is no looking back on the upside. 5980, 5950 should be there. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq 100. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, Nasdaq 100 on the hourly charts, you can clearly see there was a reversal sign. After the reversal, we have seen a good dip. It has come towards the next support zone here, towards 21,660, and now once it is this zone is taken, you can expect that the next target is going to be towards 21,580, 600. Only below 21,580, 600, you can consider that we are looking forward to another dip, which is going to take it towards 21,400, and that will be the confirmation of reversal. Right now, if you look at the moving averages, these are still trading bullish, running parallel. And also notice, see, it is struggling here on the upside, so very very important for it to now trade beyond. See, also notice 21,760, 800, 840, 850 till 21,850. We have got very good resistances, very strong resistances for tech 100 on the upside. Beyond 21,850, there is no looking back. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness, RSI flat. On the 2 hour charts, when you see, yes, it has taken a very good support from the 20 period. Let it come out of the, and notice this, divide this into two. You can wait for it to trade below 21,600, 580. That will be the confirmation of another round of dip all the way towards 21,400, possibly. On the upside, definitely there is a struggle shown by tech 100, and on the downside also, so wait for it to take a direction. Right now it is very early to conclude whether it is turning bearish or bullish. Stochastic definitely has dropped. The MACD is willing to cross over for sell. RSI running flat. On the 3 hour charts, if you look at, the observation is same, but notice what has happened. See, identically I do see this as a reversal, and see first bearish candle. But if the second candle, the current one, which has already formed a tail, and if it breaks out beyond 21,850, you can just stay bullish from here. Why? Look at the formation. Possibly this can head towards the moon, though the signs are not very much encouraging for such a good rise. The stochastic right now bearish. The MACD also willing to cross over for sell. RSI running flat. On the 4 hour charts also, see the support it is taking from the 20 period. This is very very important. And see the candle closing above 20 period is a also good sign. Now let it stay below 21,700, 660, 640. You can expect more bearishness prevailing here, else it is not to be concluded as bearish as well. Here's the stochastic dropping here, the MACD crossing over for sell, the RSI is flat. Coming to day. Now when you see the daily chart, see, notice it has already formed slightly higher highs, and preceding candle comes with a big swing with higher lows. So if it comes all the way on the downside, it is possible that it can see 21,450, 400 zone. Today the data is going to be the driving factor anyways, and a move beyond 21,850 is where you can just close your eyes, stay bullish. Now again and again I have been saying, first bearish candle retracement and the current candle is going to decide the direction here, and possibly hitting the bottom is where you can expect the correction to begin here in tech 100. Right now we have to wait. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are having room for further rise though. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy 21,780, expect 21,838, 60 as the first target zone. And if it breaks beyond 21,838, 60, stay bullish for 21,920, 21,970, and then 22,050 levels here. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 21,700, expect 21,660, 640 at the first target zone, 21,600, 580 as the next, and once it trades below 21,600, 580, chances will be high that we may see 21,540, 500, and then 21,400 levels here directly. Below 21,400, a crash is about to begin. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Dow. US30 on the hourly charts, getting the resistance perfectly from the 20-50 period moving average, trying to reverse. Now see this zone here, greater resistance is seen, and from the 20-50 period moving average, finding the resistance, it has reversed. So now it is very very important for US30 to trade beyond 44,460 levels, and once it trades beyond 44,460, you can confirm a reversal. Right now what I see it as a bearish sign here, and possibly breaking below 44,200, 44,100, we can expect a direct landing towards 43. Yes, on the hourly chart, still showing signs of bearishness here in US30. Stochastic rising here, the MACD is trading with modest bearishness, the RSI is almost staying flat. On the 2 hour chart, see similar observation here, the 20-50 period, definitely a greater resistance. So I will say till 44,500 levels, you have to be extremely cautious today. A move beyond 44,500 should take it towards 44,600, 650, and if it trades beyond 44,600, 650, chances will be high that we are looking at 44,800 levels. Stochastic has dropped here, the MACD is bearish, the RSI has dropped as well. On the 3 hour charts, when you look at, very difficult to note and very difficult to break, that is what it is showing here. And thus a move beyond the 20 period moving average, specifically beyond 44,460, is a very good sign for the bulls here. And then you can wait for 44,500 and 600 to be taken. Any move beyond 44,600 is anyways a sign of reversal here. Right now I can see bearishness by see, notice this lower highs are there, connect this, lower lows are there. Where are the lows of this? Towards 43,800. Possibility is there. The stochastic dropping here, the MACD is trading bearish, the RSI is dropped as well. On the 4-hour charts, and you see the observation is more or less same here, though the preceding candles are red, but the current one, see, already it has seen lower highs. We can see lower lows. Lower lows means 44,240, and then below that you can expect a move towards 44,100. Yes, the indicators are still not yet confirming bullishness here and are trading in a bullish bearish zone. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, what is happening? Notice after this big bearish move, it has taken the support from the 20 period, retrace, and now see preceding candle lower highs and a red body, and now it is trading almost close to 20 period. Very, very important for it to now trade below the 44,300 and 44,240 mark, below which you can expect a greater price correction. In fact, we can see it breaking below 44,000. Possibilities there. Notice what it is doing. See, divide this into two: peak, then the trough, then the peak here. It can possibly move towards the bottom very, very, very soon. So on the upside now, 45,000 is the one milestone which is going to be difficult for it to break past by. The stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over, and this I have indicated. See this. What we are full expecting is a drop here. RSI is dropped. So looking very simple, sell at 44,300, expect it to move towards 44,240, 250, 44,200, and then 44,100, 44,000, 43,800 is also possible. But right now it is not showing such a strong bearish momentum. On the upside, I will recommend a buy at 44,420 levels, expect 44,460, 500. Then 44, if it trades above 44,500, more bullishness should prevail. Then you can expect 44,600, 650. And a breakout beyond this is a clear reversal towards 44,800, 45,000. Though I'm not in support of this, but you have to follow the trend. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great, profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates.